Aw, not again.
Hey, Maria. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just trying to build the tallest block tower, but it keeps falling down.
Here, if you put more blocks at the bottom, you can build higher.
Hey! This is much taller than I had before. Just one block left.
Hey, guys.
We're building the tallest tower ever.
Can I help?
Sure.
What can I do?
Well, I want to get the very last brick on top, but it's too high for me.
I know. I can hold the step stool for you, so you're safe.
Okay.
Yay! It's amazing.
It's beautiful.
It was a group effort.
I thought I could do it all on my own, but I kept knocking it over. Thanks for your help, guys.
That's what friends do.
Yeah, we make a great team.
Yay! Teamwork!
Now what should we build?
You know, I thought I saw more blocks in the back. I bet we can make our next tower even taller!
Yay!